Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Prairie County and Central Arkansas, Central Lonoke County and Central Arkansas, Northeastern Pulaski County and Central Arkansas, until 5 p.m. At 4:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Parnell to near South Bend to near Scott, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gust. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include North Little Rock, Jacksonville, Cabot, Lonoke, Des Arc, Hazen, DeVos Bluff, Little Rock Air Force Base, Ward, Carlisle, Austin in Lonoke County, Barrettsville, Old Austin, Parnell, Prairie Center, Meadow, Sylvania, Thurman, McCreener, Sizemore. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 161 and 200. Bus Highway 67 between mile markers 11 and 20.
Another double header.
Has issued a severe eastern Stone County in north central Arkansas, Independence County in north central Arkansas, northern Woodruff County in eastern Arkansas, Jackson County in eastern Arkansas, eastern Cleburne County in north central Arkansas, central White County in central Arkansas, south central Sharp County in north central Arkansas, until 5 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Concord to 9 miles west of Pleasant Plains to near Step Rock to near Crosby, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Searcy, Batesville, Newport, Augusta, Baldknop, Judsonia, Tuckerman, Kensett, Diaz, Newark, Swifton, Higginson, Pangburn, Grubbs, Pleasant Plains, Oil Trough, Concord, Russell, Jacksonport, McNeese. This includes us Highway 67 between mile markers 41 and 101. Weather Service
Oh my God.
in Little Rock.